Imagine a spider detecting the faintest vibration of a passing insect, or a bat navigating pitch darkness with pinpoint precision. These feats are possible thanks to micromechanical sensors embedded in their bodies, tiny hairs, cells, and membranes that convert minute changes in the environment into electrical signals. Scientists study these natural marvels to unlock secrets for creating ultra-sensitive detection systems. By mimicking the structure and function of these biological sensors, engineers have developed devices capable of detecting movement, sound, and even chemical changes at astonishingly small scales.